the cone. So this is cone definition. So actually generally the cone means, so we are uh, taking this one cone ice cream. Okay. So we are thinking this is a cone. But actually what is the cone equation means? Cone equation means uh, let S be the set of points in 3 dimension if there exists V belongs to S such that P belongs to S such that then VP is also belongs to S, then S is called that what is that cone. So what is a cone means? So S is a surface. This okay, S is a surface. The set of points will be there. The set of points. The points. Then SV is a one line. Uh, So we are taking that. SV not. So if suppose the P is belongs to S. Okay, na? So then that VP, the line the VP is also belongs to S. Then S is called what is that? Cone. Okay, now I'm telling that. So this is the lines. The lines which are passing through the one point and they're intersecting the a curve. Now that the set of lines are formed, what is that? Cone. Okay, understood. So this is the cone equations. So here this V is called what is that? Vertex. Okay. And this straight lines is called no. So this is straight lines is called generator. Okay. So generally, what is the equation of the cone? So what is the equation of the cone means? That ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So this is the we can tell that standard form. So standard form, this is the one curve. So what is the cone means? So cone is the set of lines are passing through the one fixed point and may they intersecting the one curve. Okay, na? So this curve, this is a curve. So this curve is called what is that? That is guiding curve. And this point is called what is that? Vertex. Okay, so this is a guiding curve and this is the what is that? Vertex point. Okay, understood. So in the examination, it is important to uh, they are giving the vertex. So in the examination, they are giving the vertex and the guiding curve. Okay, and they're asking to find the cone equation. Okay, so this is the figure, no? So this they are giving the vertex and this they are giving the guiding curve. So now he is asking to what is that? The cone equation. Okay, then we'll go to one problem. So we'll go, this is important. Find the equation of cone, vertex 1 comma 1 comma 1, and guiding curve x square z square equal to 4 and y equal to 0. Okay. Now see the solution. Let's see the figure now. So this is the 1 comma 1 comma 1. And this is x square plus z square equal to 4 and y equal to 0. Okay. Now see the solution here. So how we can find this curve means, first 1 comma 1 comma 0 more. Sorry, this is 1 comma 1 comma 0. So this is the L. So this is the line L. Okay. This is called what is the generator. So this is called what is the generator. So first find equation of the line it's passing through 1 comma 1 comma 0. Okay. Passing through 1 comma 1 comma 0 and having L comma M comma N is ఫామ్ లో వచ్చేసి మనకేముంది x minus x1 by L equal to y minus y1 by M and equal to z minus z1 by N. Okay. Now the line equation is become x minus 1 by L y minus 1 by M z minus 0 by N. Okay, let's take that equal to R. So that implies S equal to LR plus 1, Y equal to MR plus 1, and Z equal to NR. So now the point should be on this curve. Okay. So the point is, what is that? The point is LR plus 1 and MR plus 1 and NR. So it should be in that the given sphere is there, no? Given basic curves. What are the basic curves here? X square plus z square equal to 4 and y equal to 0. So first y equal to 0. So if you are taking that y equal 0, then we are getting mr plus 1 equal to 0. Then r equal to minus 1 by m. So next x square plus z square equal to 4. So x square means lr plus 1 whole square, z square means nr whole square equal to 4. Okay. Now substitute r equal to minus n by m. So substitute that r equal to minus m by m and here. So we are getting minus 1 by m plus 1 whole square plus n into minus 1 by m whole square equal to 4. Now you can simplify. Okay. Now, so if you are simplify this equation, and then we are getting m minus l whole square plus n square equal to 4m square. So make this is equation 2. So this is equation 1. So let's take this is equation 1. So from there, we can substitute that what is the m value? Y minus 1 minus what is the L value? X minus 1 that whole square plus what is the n value? So n value is what is that? Z. So that is Z square and 4 into m value what is that? Y minus 1 whole square. So if we are simplify this one, so we are getting that x square minus 3y square plus z square minus 2xy plus 8y minus 4 equal to 0. Okay. So what is that? First we find the line. Okay. Let's take one point that lies on this curve and we substitute and then we'll get this equation. Okay, ma? So we'll solve the one more problem. We solve one more problem. Find the equation of the cone I comma 4 comma 3 and the base curve is 3x square plus 2y square equal to 6 and y plus z equal to 0. Okay. Now see the solution. So this is the vertex. This is 5, 4, 3. And this is the base curve. What is that? 3x square plus 2y square equal to 6 and y plus z equal to 0. Okay, so first find this line equation. Okay, so equation to the line and passing through I comma 4 comma 3 is x minus y by L y minus 4 by m z minus 3 by n. So let's take any one point that equal to r. So that implies x equal to LR plus 5 and y equal to MR plus 4 and z equal to NR plus 3. Therefore, the point is become LR plus 5, MR plus 4 and NR plus 3. Okay. So this point, its motion should be that belongs to this curve. Okay, na? What is that? 3x square plus 2y square equal to 6 and y plus z equal to 0. Now you can substitute there. So from the last problem, we are getting the easy, we are eliminated to the easy things. Okay. Now see, 3 into x means what is that? LR plus 5 whole square plus 2 into MR plus 4 whole square equal to 6. Okay. After that, if we have simplified that everything, and one more thing, what is that? Y plus z equal to 0. You hear that y plus z. And mr plus 4 plus nr plus 3 equal to 0. So m plus n r equal to what is that? 7. Okay. Now this we have to substitute in that in the equation 1. Okay. So if you are substituting that in equation 1, so then we are getting 3 into minus 7L plus 5M plus 5N whole square plus 2 into minus 7M plus 4M plus 4N whole square equal to 6 into N plus N whole square. Now we have that L value. So this is now an M value and N value. So we have to substitute in that L, M, N values here. So 3 into minus 7 into x minus 5 plus 5 into y minus 4 plus 5 into z minus 3 whole square plus 2 into minus 3 into y minus 4 plus 4 into z minus 3 whole square equal to 6 into y minus 4 plus z minus 3 whole square. So after that simplification, and we are getting 147x square This is equation to the cone and passing through the coordinate axis. Okay, and we have the one problem is, so find the equation of the cone which passing through the coordinate axis. Okay, so what is that coordinate axis, and the lines are x by 1, y by minus 2, z by 3, and x by 3 equal to y by minus 1 equal to z by 1. Okay, now the equation of the cone, just now I discussed, that is through the coordinate axes. Through the coordinate axis is fyz plus gzx plus hxy equal to 0. Okay, so this is, so now we can substitute there. First one, that is x equal to 1, y equal to minus 2, and z equal to 3. Okay, then we are getting minus 6f plus tg minus 2h equal to 0. So right, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. And similar, the second line. What is the second line? X by 3 equal to y by minus 1 equal to z by 1. So in this term we are getting minus f plus 3g minus 3h equal to 0. So this is equation 3. So from 2 and 3, so using that this and 2 3, we know that the methods, then f is become, so how we can find, say this one, f g h minus 6 3 minus 2 next to minus 1 3 minus 3, so that f equal to minus 18 plus 3. So from there we are getting f by 3, g by 16, and h by 50. Then substitute f comma g comma h in equation 1. Then we are getting 3yz plus 16zx plus 15xy equal to 0. Okay, so this is a cone equation. Next problem. So next, so when we can say that a second degree equation is represent as a cone. Okay. See, I am taking that let one second degree equation. Ax square plus by square plus cz square plus 2fyz plus 2gzx plus 2hxy plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. Okay. So when it is represented as a cone means, so there are the three conditions will be there. Okay. That should be the determinant. A H T U H B F P next to G F C W U V W D. The determinant of it is equal to 0, then we can say that this second degree equation is represent as a cone. Okay. So see the one problem. And this is important, and show that ax square plus by square plus cz square 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0 represent a cone if u square by a plus v square by b and w square by c equal to d. Okay. So it is not a second degree equation, no? So we are taking ax square plus by square plus cz square. So first we are making as a second degree. We are taking one variable 2uxt next to 2vyt plus 2wzt plus dt square equal to 0. Now it is become second degree equation. So now first find dou f by dou x when it is t equal to 1. So we are getting 2ax, this is 0, this is 0, this is become 2u, this is 0 and 0 0 equal to 0. So that is become x equal to minus u by a. And similarly, dou f by dou y at the point t equal to 1, y equal to minus v by b, and dou f by dou z 2cz plus 2w equal to 0, then z equal to minus w by c. And next dou f by dou t. Now we are doing with the t. And same at the point t equal to 1. Here also t equal to 1. So 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. Plus w square by c equal to t. Okay. So when you're coming to the final examination, so all the topics are important. Okay. Plane, plane line. Okay. uh, and sphere, cone, and cylinder. So these topics are very important. So these topics are very important, and you have to prepare this all the topics. Okay. Now today we are discussing cone. If they are giving the generate, they are giving the vertex, and this is the base curve. So how we can find the cone equation? So that is the most important thing, and how we can second degree equation is represented as a cone, and equation to the cone and passing through the three coordinated axes. So that is called cone equation 2 fyz plus uh, hxy plus gxz equal to 0. So that is also important thing. Okay. Okay. So the topics are plane, line, sphere, cone, cylinder. So you have to focus on only these topics. How to find the equation to the plane passing through the 3 points, and line, the shortest distance between the skew lines, and equation to the sphere, and intersection of the two spheres. So these are the all the topics that are that very important for even your final examination. Okay.